It's the Gilas episode. Hello guys. So hinintay muna namin matapos. Nico here with Mario and Graham. The Philippines winning 2-0. We're top of our group sa Group A. Kasi wala pa lang naman. And then we will have New Zealand sa February. But let's just focus first, very quick lang naman, on our two games versus Guam. So Philippines won 87-46. Dominant game. We're in, of course, JB, 22 points plus 37. Ibang klase. And then on the second game, closer. 95-71, closer.
That's pretty
Guam
close.
was able to cut it by 11 points in a game that we should have won by 40. But overall, great way to start, no? Welcome, QMB, to Gilas. Nice to see you. Great stats for QMB. He didn't start in the second game. Coach Tim is like, hey, I'm going to give this now to Japet, his final game. Which is the reason why he started Philco. Kasi this is
Yeah,
final na.
for sure,
Nag-announce
for
siya
sure.
after. And that's how you end a career. A long career.
Yeah, a very long career.
Mm.
Very lengthy one. But
Yeah.
this is Gilas lang naman, not naman like not his whole PBA career naman, just
Yeah,
Gilas.
just a long gilas. Ano
I
talaga.
saw this quote from Coach Tim. Sabi niya na ano, well, he isn't really retired. He's just always on call.
Oh my God.
I don't know if it's a
Tama
true
na.
quote. I don't know if it's a true
Totoo
He's
quote.
not
yun,
sure about
coach.
that. Parang ganun.
Dude, Coach Tim is always, when he says something
Totoo
that's the
yun.
truth, he doesn't play around,
Yeah, I don't know
which is
if it's a joke or
scary.
if it's not. That's hilarious to me because he goes, if somebody gets injured, he's gonna be on call. Like, oh boy. So
Oh boy. Wala na ba tayo ibang players, coach?
I think even Japet was just like, I think Japet also just like, oh really?
Oh, oh.
But he's like ano, he's like Kelly Williams to Coach Chot, you know.
Yeah, but
Japet
Yeah,
to Coach
yeah.
Tim is
unlike,
Kelly
but
Williams
Kelly
to
is still
Coach
effective.
Or he's ano, he was Rafi Reeves to Coach Chito before
Coach
Coach Chito
Tito.
came in.
Yeah.
Yeah, but dude, not a surprise that he won these two games, man. Um, Justin Brownlee in Aguilas jerseys. I don't know, man. I wish he could play like this all the time. Iba talaga siya pag Gilas jersey. In yung mga moments na kailangan mo ng big basket or yung mga moments na medyo naghahabol na yung kabilang team, JB is always there, and even in moments when it feels like the game is done, JB is still there, like, against Saudi Arabia like a few months ago. So yeah, man, Justin on a Gilas jersey is great. I don't know how many years he probably has left in a Gilas jersey, but it was fun. It's been fun since he's been here.
I agree, man. Parang we we're looks like we're counting down the days of Justin Brownlee, pero we shouldn't. Di ba? Parang he's still so effective when we need him. And we actually did not need him that much in this game or in these
Mm.
games.
O yung
Kasi it
second
was
game, medyo
only
kailangan siya ha.
yeah, gets.
Oh
Pero
yeah.
yung first game, it was a rout talaga, pero doon siya mas pumutok di ba? Nung first
Nung
game
first game.
Yeah,
against Guam. So, um, I
both
won't
were good.
put I won't put too much on these two games kasi Guam lang yun, di ba? Yeah, fine,
Guam
I'm
lang. Oh, tama, Guam lang naman yan.
yeah,
Right, yeah, yeah. Put some
I'm
respect.
developing I'm developing a new set of enemies, the people of
The
Guam.
Guam.
But that's fine, you know, we're better at
The
basketball
meme.
we're better at
The people.
basketball than them. Their passport is stronger than us, then it's a fair trade-off, di ba?
What's
Um,
fast? What's better than ours? What did you say?
we're we're better than them at basketball, pero their passport is stronger than us. So it's a fair
Passport.
trade-off.
You
I'll
know,
take it.
I thought you said fast food. So I was like, they're fast food.
We don't know
Better
too.
than
Probably a
They're
better
US
passport.
fast food though. US fast food though. Kasi they're a
Yeah,
US
so I'm saying.
colony. Yeah.
So
Oh,
man,
damn. A little
it's
history lesson
Guam.
for you all.
Yeah, it's like I know it's like the Lakers beating the Pelicans or something like that.
Ah,
They're supposed to. They're supposed to,
Yeah,
di ba?
they're supposed to. You're not wrong.
So
they're supposed to.
man, good win. The only thing that I can comment on is again, this is the perfect time to insert guys who want to learn the system. Like Juan Gomez de Leano. Like this would have been the time for one to learn. You're virtually not risking anything and yung ibang player nagbutas din naman ng bangko, di ba?
Mm.
But good wins, good wins.
Yeah.
I I'm genuinely surprised they were only up 11 in the fourth in the
Hey,
home game in Big. But
There's a
From
community out there. There's a community out there who knows why they were up.
oh
There's a
yeah, yeah, yeah.
community out there
I
who knows why,
And
guys.
the
actually.
committee is below me.
Yeah, there's a community.
The
They
committee is
know it.
here.
They all know why, man. And it's funny kasi diba, sasabi natin na the reason why RJ is in the lineup is because he knows the system more of Coach Tim. And hindi rin naman pala ginagamitin si RJ, di ba?
Yeah, 8 minutes. Eight
Yeah, RJ
minutes.
played 8, RJ played 6. So, di rin naman pala masyadong gagamitin si RJ. So, at that point, I'm still kind of confused why he didn't include Juan since look, QNB after his first game, he looked good in the second game. Like he scored more in the second game. It's the rebounding for me, KQMB, which makes him very valuable, man. 10 in the first, 9 in the second, in around 15, 16, around 18 to 19 minutes of action. Those are good numbers for me if you ask me if you're QMB, man. He's gonna be a great piece for Gilas talaga moving forward. Him and a lot of other young dudes. Like I said, Juan and everything. Si Scotty, he got injured in the second game.
Yeah, uncle niya.
Yeah, that's first of all, Graham, that's bad for us.
Actually, yun yung next na discuss ko ngayon na parang how serious kaya yung they couldn't play him anymore. Pero then again, it's Guam. Di ba? It's not like you're gonna force to play him. Like, sige, laro yan.
I don't know if
Guam eh.
he couldn't play anymore because he couldn't put any weight on it, diba? Or that's what it looked like
Oh,
at the very least.
Dao, nung,
Yeah, yeah.
nung, nung ano na yun, nung
Yeah.
matchup na yun.
Ay, wait, sorry. Alam mo yung medyo nawalan ng spot after because QMB is here. I was
Mm,
surprised we didn't see as much AJ Edu in this one. In the first game, he only had 17 minutes. In the second game, he only had 14.
yeah.
I'm kind of surprised we didn't see a lot of him. And also Carl Tamayo. Hey man,
Yeah,
Brother, ginawa niya ng third stringer si Carl Tamayo. That one, that one does not sit right with me, bro. Carl Tamayo and KQ, dapat ano yun eh. Dapat same time yan mag-aangat, di ba? But it looks like KQ has overtaken him, which is fair considering the international game of KQ. Pero I'm more surprised that they don't give Carl that many minutes. He gets less than Q, he gets less than Kevin. He even in the second game he even got less than Japet, which is not surprising naman.
Mm.
man, KQ has gotten so much better at basketball since the last time we saw him in
Iba na
DLSU.
talaga si KQ.
Bro, iba
Iba
siya.
na
Bro,
There's
talaga.
some
main option kasi yun sa, one of, like, second option kasi yun sa Goyang, man. Like, he's gonna
Tapos,
get
yeah, no,
better. Carl is
go,
like
go, go.
fourth.
Isn't
no,
Carl
go,
one of the
go.
leading scorers of his team also? With
He is, but
Korea?
he's like a third or fourth option
Ah, okay.
in Changwon ata yun. I know their other import, yung not Asian import nila gets more touches obviously. Then I know they have a pretty deep roster din there. That's why I'm not that surprised. Kay KQ kasi talagang ano siya, Asian import na may hawak ng bola. Parang Belangel yung laro ni KQ in Korea.
Man, KQ, what I'm so impressed with KQ is his shooting, bro. Grabe.
Yeah.
Like,
Tagal namin, come on.
but it got better.
Iba, got better pa. Para it's just another level.
Yeah. I mean, they sent him to Korea. That's the whole point of Korea, no?
Actually,
Yeah,
sa Korea.
yeah, yeah. You know what? Yeah.
Dude, Korea beat
Okay.
Japan. China twice.
That was
Korea,
wild, no?
China.
Mga surprises sa FIBA
yeah,
games.
Korea beat China twice, and that's because um,
Was it
I'm
KQ's
gonna
teammate yung best scorer?
no, yung best scorer nila is from Japan. Like he plays in Japan.
Really? Wait, let me check the games, no? And that was a really interesting FIBA window, no? Na hindi lang sa Philippines tayo nakafocus.
Yeah,
Pati ako napatingin sa China versus Korea, Qatar
China,
beating
Korea.
Lebanon. In what world did I imagine Qatar
hey,
beating
hey,
Lebanon?
man. All I'm gonna say is I don't want to be the one to talk trash to Wael Arakji. I know he's a good player, but
Yeah, but
brother,
still.
you all did not achieve anything. You all did not
Ah,
achieve
so parang for
Yeah.
anything.
you window lang to, parang kulang
Yeah,
pa. Hindi, you won't put much weight on it pa.
I know naman. That's what I'm trying to say.
Ito si
I'm more
Jong Hyun
trying.
Lee. Jong Hyun Lee.
Yeah, he plays for Japan. He plays in Japan.
Jong Hyun
He
Lee.
plays for Nagasaki.
Pro
He's one
team.
of
Man,
the leading scorers of Nagasaki. That's
bro,
why.
I have a question for you, Mario.
What's up, man?
If You saw RJ's minutes, about 8 minutes, 6 minutes. If
Hmm.
one got those minutes, so let's say si Juan yung nakapasok instead of RJ, would you have been mad or would you have been happy?
Uh, that's a good question. I probably would have been annoyed because, si Juan yun. Bro, Juan is in line or is in the running for a rookie MVP. If you ask me
Mhm.
right? I think many people there's this one guy on TikTok. He's a full English speaking dude with a mustache.
Oh,
With a
oh yeah,
goatee
yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
everything.
Parang
Yeah,
grind times for something like that.
yeah, something like that. Bro, I love that guy's takes. He's been a Juan supporter from the start, and I'm also a Juan supporter from the
We are
start.
one supporters tayo lahat. Yeah, GDL
Yeah.
supporters tayo.
I don't know if
Yeah.
if I would have been mad. At least for me, at least he was there to play those minutes. If you ask me,
Oo.
but I would have assumed he should have gotten more. But also again, it's Guam. These are the ones where you really have to insert them. Kasi mabibigla ako if he plays if they put him in New Zealand in the New Zealand series of games. I would be surprised if they play him there. Si Juan there because they didn't use him for Guam. So why would you use him for New Zealand, diba? May iba nagsasabi na nagtatago ng baraha si Coach Tim pero it
Ano?
doesn't really make sense to me. It doesn't I don't think
Yeah.
that doesn't he doesn't make Tago anything, brother. So yeah, I'm not sure how I would answer your question. Um I probably would have been annoyed to get that little minutes from him, but at least he would have still been there. Yung panglaban ko dun.
Step in the right direction, you know.
Yeah,
Parang
at
now
least
we know the
let's start
system.
it, brother. Yeah, at least he's there. Since Coach Tim loves his system so much, or if that's the reason why people keep him there, it's fine. Another good thing for Gilas, I love the game of Chris Newsome. I know he's not really scoring a lot,
Yeah.
pero yung defense talaga na provide niya. I know
On
Jericho
point pa rin.
also.
On point pa rin
Yeah,
defense niya. Yeah.
Mhm.
yeah, which is great. Which is funny kasi when you go sa PBA, Chris Newsome, diba? May drain jumper, drives
Yeah.
the rim, may
Tama.
three. Yeah, pero ngayon, talagang, alam mo like when Devin Booker was in the States, I was in the US team.
Oh yeah, yeah.
May role siya. Ito
May
yung role
role.
niya.
That's his
Stopper
role.
role.
Exactly. Also, for the Ateneo fans out there, man, this is what Dwight Ramos would have looked like in a Ateneo jersey. If he stayed in Ateneo for his collegiate
Bro,
years instead of
kain yan. Kain yan pag ganun, no?
Bro,
Kain
dude,
yan.
for his first game in Blue Eagle, actually all of these guys' first game in Blue Eagle, I'm assuming. And he had 19, and he played good in that first quarter. I think he had a lot in the first quarter. I forgot what it was, but he was playing really good in the first quarter, man.
Mm.
So this is not this is something that we're happy with. At least they won the games. Pero again, it's just Guam. But my favorite part about this whole endeavor wow, endeavor about this
Wow.
whole window was yung paggamit nila kay QMB. That's really
Yeah.
the thing that I enjoyed a lot. They trusted him with 18 to 20 minutes, which is pretty normal for a FIBA game, which is really good.
Man, before we transition to whatever we're gonna talk about next, massive shout out to Japet, bro. We
Oh,
we
oh, oh,
we
oh.
love talking about Japet in our episodes. But what he did sa Gilas for the past 14 years, I don't know the exact number. It's remarkable. He was the first, or sorry, he was the last big man to go out. Kasi kasabay niya si Slaughter, and Slaughter's not been with the national team for quite some time now. So
Come on.
um just want to shout out to just want to give a big shout out to Japet Aguilar. You were there when they were still called Smart Gilas Pilipinas, when they joined the PBA, and then played well, lost to Ginebra in the semis. That's fine. But man, you can ask anything from Japet anymore, and you should not ask anything from Japet anymore. That's the right term. You should not ask anything from Japet anymore sa pagdating sa Gilas. He's done. He should be resting. Should get lifetime supply of tickets whenever he wants, wherever he wants.
Yeah.
So good job, good career.
You
It's like
know,
Adonis has them.
dude, FIBA made a whole article for Japet's retirement from the national team. So
You know why? You know why?
I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know
It's
why, man.
because it's because Filipinos are the easiest to capture sa social media, man. They
Ah, but
they don't do that.
you're not wrong. I get you. I
They
get
don't
you.
They don't do that to anyone else. Like, if did you see that kay ano kay Haddadi or kay sino yung sa Lebanon yung other guy
As
nila
he,
na magaling din.
I'm not gonna give a
El
name
Khatib,
because
something like
you
that.
guys are gonna flame
Yan,
me if I give
yan
a
na
name.
naman, yan na naman.
I'm not gonna give a name, bro.
Si ano na
I'm
naman,
not
si
gonna
Al
give a name.
Marwani. Si Al Marwani.
The
let's, let's get
the
this
last
guy,
Yeah,
Al
time I
I
tried
think
Marwani.
when
their name, I got flamed for it. I'm not gonna give a name. Y'all can do whatever you
I
Al
think when Al
Marwani.
Suwailem retires from
Oh,
Saudi, they're gonna make
Aswilem.
it
There you go,
Hey man,
Aswilem.
then
hey man,
it's
Grim, you
because
almost got me
it's
there,
Phil.
brother. You almost got me to name one, brother. And not gonna lie, man. You almost got me there, man.
All I'm saying is they did. Man, FIBA, when they don't have anything to post, if it's a slow day, they're gonna post a random Terence Romeo highlight reel for 1 minute engagement. That's what FIBA does, brother. So I'm not surprised, but Japet
Guys,
deserves it.
uh,
He
there
earned
have
it.
been so many times where I'm having lunch and I'm looking for something to watch. Tapos yung lalabas sa akin is Tony Parker versus Terence Romeo highlights. I don't know why. That's something that will
Sorry po.
happen out. Like, so
But it
video.
really happened, no? It's something na, ha? It really happened. And when you check YouTube, oo nga. Yun na nga yan Pero laban
Yeah,
tayo sa France dun, ha? Lumaban
yeah,
tayo kahit
we were up.
Lumaban
paano.
naman talaga
I
tayo.
think we're up
Lumaban
10. We're up
tayo.
10 in the first
Yeah,
quarter.
and then France is like, oh nga pala, France kami.
So, yeah, we're probably a top five
That was
team. But
that was Andre Blatch pre McDonald's, man. That was Blatch
mm,
pre McDo,
yeah,
bro. That was
it's
when he
ano.
was skinny, bro.
Yeah,
That's
that's
when he
right.
was really skinny, brother. But going back to this one, man, like Graham said, we tend to make our jokes about Japet, JA25, but we tend to make our jokes about him. By the way, guys, that LP9 thing is taking off like
Oo,
a like
oo.
a like a bitch, dude.
Pero at
That
least people know na credits kay Grem. Mga
that thing
Lasalians
is
know kay Grem
taking
galing.
off, bro. And I hate it because it's so easy to say LP9 instead of Luis
Dali, Luis
Pablo.
Pablo. Ang dami, Luis Pablo.
It's the same
Even though,
syllable.
even
Luis,
same nga lang, pero
apat
mas
pala.
mas madali lang sabihin LP9 kasi
Yeah,
Luis. May ano
apat pala yung syllable sa
Luis.
Luis. Yeah. Bro,
May ano
it's
may
so
konti,
funny.
Luis.
It's so funny, man. But yeah, we tend to take our stabs at Japet also, because of course we do. But at the end of the day, he's chosen to represent the country millions of times, man.
Mm-mm.
Probably more times than people have asked him to. And he knows naman, man. He knows na there are times where the Philippine nation will come at him for being on Gilas because they know that there should be another player there. Yet he still chooses to do it, diba? That takes a lot of heart. And as somebody who grew up watching Gilas, I support him greatly. Before we close, I just wanna ask you guys this topic. Did you guys see Rani Del's comments recently?
About what? Di parang wala akong nakita pa.
Yeah. Let me read it for you. Rani Del.
Bro, while Mario is looking for it, have you found it, bro?
No, no, I haven't. Go ahead.
Justin Brown is gonna play for Meralco now.
Oh,
Is
fine.
it
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
theoretical
Buti
na? Fair.
naman.
Yeah.
I didn't see. Since when?
I think a few
EASL
days
to?
ago, may lumabas sa
Yes, sir.
spin. May lumabas ata sa spin.
Bro, wala na excuse nakapaglaro na sa Gilas eh. Like,
Oh,
that's
hindi na
it.
pwede eh. Bumalik yung pneumonia. Ah,
He can't,
dang it.
he
What?
can't hide
Sorry
anymore.
guys, it just went back all of a sudden.
Uh, what I remember correctly was Rani Del said something. I can't find the exact quote, sorry.
Mm,
Pero I know
mm.
he said something like, um, one of the biggest regrets of his. I don't know if this is fake news or not, huh? But either way,
Oh guys,
I'm
let us know in the comments. Let us know if it's fake news or not.
Rani Del said na one of the things he most regretted in his career was that he never got to be an Olympian. And it's because sabi niya, kung may ibang team lang na nagpahiram ng players, kaya nila sana. Kasi
Damn. Oh yeah, I think
kasi
he said, oh yeah, yeah.
you saw it. I don't know if I remember it correctly. But he said
Facebook
na
yan. It's from legit yan. I just forgot where
okay.
exactly. Doon
Yeah,
sa ano
Man,
niya,
I
sa
think
podcast nila, sa Sports Plus PH ata.
that's a really funny podcast by the way.
Yeah,
That's
sila ni GB. Oh, comedian kasi yung kasama niya, si GB Labrador.
man, I
may
think the
fake comedian
closest
naman tayo dito.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Man, I think the closest we have gotten was in 2015. Yung talagang niluto tayo ng China in China. If
Yeah,
yung FIBA Asia Championship, talagang sobrang walang hiya talaga yung officiating doon. And Ronnie Del, I believe, was a part of that team.
yeah, he was, he was.
So, um, I get where he's coming from. But that was also the time na hirap nga talaga makahiram ng player yung national team from a certain organization. So I get him. I get him. It's sad. I mean we probably still wouldn't have won against China kasi nga dinaya talaga tayo na go down to my grave saying dinaya talaga tayo na China. But um that's that's heartbreaking to hear from Randy Del because that's true.
Yeah, it is true. I
Mm.
agree. So yeah, I wish that didn't happen also. But now, to be fair, we can somewhat make an argument pa rin a bit now eh. 'Di ba? Na may ibang players who
Mm,
aren't really playing because who should be playing but aren't really playing because of certain like political issues. So hopefully that to trot out the best lineup. And I think many people naman will agree with us na although this lineup won against Guam, this isn't the best lineup we can trot out there naman talaga. But hopefully that goes away soon so that we can really bring out the best of the best, you know what I mean? Put back that man with a mustache in the lineup, put back the one of the best minds in the game in the lineup, so many other things. And stop avoiding Converge players, bro. Except like there's a reason Converge is one of the top teams in the league, man.
yeah. Oo nga, no? No converge player, no? Well,
Si Juan
it's,
dapat. Juan dapat.
yeah, it's,
Yeah.
it's, ano, it's
Also,
disgusting sometimes when you think
yeah.
about it.
Also, Coach Norman will be releasing his final lineup tomorrow. So,
And Bolik's in practice. Si Bolik mukhang sure na because Bolik has been practicing with them in Blue Eagle Gym. Ay! No, Moro. He's been in Moro. Doon
di
nagtitraining yung
ata
ano
alam,
eh.
di ata alam ng world yun ah. I didn't know that one. Has that been revealed from the start? That he's been
Which one? Wait,
practicing with.
are you sarcastic?
No,
No
no,
or
no.
no?
I haven't. No, I was not sarcastic. I did
Oh
not know
yeah,
he's been
let the world
practicing.
know. Yeah, 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 yeah. I can confirm. It's okay. I
Okay.
can say that. Yeah, he's been practicing with them sa Moro.
What?
Grabe, grabe.
Pilipinas took Robert Bolic's time with NLEX. How are they gonna finish second seed?
Walang
Sorry, check.
PBA, walang PBA
Oh
Grema.
my God.
So of course everyone's
Okay. No, I'm just saying they're taking some time from Robert Bolick instead of practice siya sa NLEX. Secure the second seed and yeah.
Then lose it in the first round.
and then losing the first round. Oh my god, yeah.
Mouth shut, mouth shut. I don't want to develop another group of enemies, man. Um,
Wala,
Hey, I'll take
sino?
the
Ako? Ako lang
I'll
makakalaban.
take the NLEX enemies, bro. I'll take the NLEX
Sino
enemies.
yung mga NLEX fans yan? Sige,
I'll
aside
take the
from me,
NLEX
give
enemies,
give
bro.
me fans. Wala ka kami group page eh.
Brother Nico can't even name you 10 NLEX fans. And he works for the
We have
organization.
8. We had 8 fans that come all the time. So hindi nakabot ng 10.
it's funny, baka maunahan pa natin magka-page yung NLEX as a
Actually,
podcast. Oh my God.
Love trip, man. Oh, dear. That's
oh
fun.
yeah, so yeah, Gilas.
Yeah, yeah, but I think we'll make content about it tomorrow. Also, we'll talk about yung final lineup ni
Oo,
Coach
as interesting kasi
Coach
naging
Norman.
8 na lang sila at 1 point eh. Di ba?
Oh,
Nag-8
yung
sila and
wala.
yung isa dun si Abu Trotter.
Oh, siya.
So, like, brother, Abu hasn't worn a Gilas jersey in a while. So, you know
How
right
about
now.
Von Pesumal? Titans like,
And
hey
Von
guys,
Pesumal.
you guys
Hey,
need help?
hey.
Von,
Bro, Titan management, y'all are so nice to give Von to the cause, bro. But
how
honestly,
about Calvin? Oh, not Calvin. Not
not
Give
Calvin,
it
not Josh
Calvin.
Munzon, bro. But
No, it's
hey,
our best player.
take Von. But honestly,
You need a
guys,
shooter, right? You need a shooter? Yeah.
Me and Graham are fans of Von Pesumal. Siyempre, nagilas din, Ginebra din yan.
Ginebra yan eh.
We hope he actually ends up in a good spot in his career, man. Kasi,
Hmm.
yung Ateneo days ni Von Pesumal, parang Mario talaga yun, man.
Oh yeah.
Like you're literally like, oh, and then SMB drafted him, and you're like, oh damn, they got their next Marshall. Things just haven't really panned out for him. But dude, I really hope Vaughn ends up on a good team where he actually gets a good minutes talaga. I don't know why doesn't get that many. Maybe it's because he tends to shoot a lot or his defense isn't great. Pero I would love to see him play well in a jersey soon. Tomorrow I'm excited to see the lineup. I'm hoping we see wait lang. Let's just look at the wait lang. See
Hey,
games.
Von Pesumal space card. Nice too, man.
Oh
Mm.
man. Oh man. Oh
Just
man.
saying, I'm not giving up on the face card episode, brother.
Here are the eight that we've seen, ha.
Just your transition, bro.
He just completely like these are the eight.
These are the eight, by the way. Because we don't let
Just
Nico cut
completely brushed off Greg.
we don't let Nico cut stuff anymore. So we're just gonna brush off what you said.
Yeah, don't
So
make me do some extra work, man.
So
Tired.
Matthew Wright, Ray Parks, Abu Trotter, Thirdy Ravena, Jamie Malonzo, Robert
Walton
Golick,
30,
Bon
ah.
Pesumal, and VJ Pre. So the names I'm hoping to see tomorrow. I don't know if Kaimani is still allowed to play for Gilas. I forgot what
Wala,
the
bro. Wala
how old
talaga.
siya. Wala siya passport.
Wala.
Because of the passport thing.
Well,
Okay.
magulo lang. Magulo ang Thailand. This is wala siyang passport. Magulo ang Thailand.
Yeah. I'm hoping we see some nice names there
Bro,
tomorrow when it comes out.
bro, it'll be so funny pag si Coach Norman will include Malonzo who doesn't know his system. Well, Coach Tim did not include Malonzo who knows his system. Like, isn't that a funny?
Ano yun, binigay ni Coach Tim yun kay Coach Norman. Kasi, how will Coach Norman win without Jamie? Binigay ni Coach Tim yun, bro. Ikaw naman. Masyado kang boto.
I got you. I got
Masyado
you.
ka, man. But yeah,
It'll,
I hope
it'll
that the roster tomorrow will have new additions to it. Hopefully we see the additions tomorrow as well. And sana it's a good lineup also. I would hate for us to lose in the SEA Games.
yeah. I,
Yeah, we're gonna have a SEA Games episode and then we're gonna have a reaction to the UAP Final Four games
Yeah.
tomorrow, no? Like for whatever reason, sabihin natin, ma-determine na yung finals tomorrow. Sige, kung hindi pa ma-determine, of course, we're still gonna record because it's a Final Four. It's like a mandatory playoff episode natin sa PBA. Like we
when's
still
game
do
2
that.
ba? Is it Saturday or Sunday? Yung game 2?
I have no clue, man. It's a good
Which
question.
of
We
those
have
series are going to, Gem?
Both! Both! BOF! Both!
I want both to go the distance just for
What did,
Mr.
how did you
Game
spell it?
7. Ano daw?
How did you spell it,
Ano
Gem?
DOF? I heard F. Saan
I
galing?
heard F.
BOF! Both!
Oh,
Both!
dude,
Ano
I
ibig
Okay,
sabihin
heard.
both.
ng buff? Ano ibig
I
sabihin
was
ng
like,
buff?
what?
Sige nga, ano yung buff? Sige.
No, it's both. Both series. We did not do the UAP episode. I was so tired yesterday. Guys, driving to Ilocos is not for the weak. But man,
Yeah, that's insane nga.
both
Hindi ka, I won't shit
series,
on you for that one.
both series are going the distance. And it's gonna be UST Lasal. I just said it.
You really love UST, no?
Bro, this guy. For somebody who didn't go to UST, you are in love with that team, bro. You
Hey,
are
hey,
way
hey. I went to UST once to play soccer, brother.
Bro, I
Oh,
don't know
yun
what
yung connection.
I don't know what Koji or Nick Cabanero did during our interviews with them that made you love them so much. But man, they did
May
something
papadala bang
there.
jersey? Si
Uh,
Koji dyan?
I just have the clear vision that you guys don't have.
Oh boy. Yan na naman si Ateneo will make it to the Final Four. Yan na naman si Ateneo will make it to Ayan na naman siya.
Ayan na
I'm
naman si
sorry.
Ate.
We're sorry in advance, DLSU and
How
UST
about si
fans.
Ateneo versus UST Finals? How about si Mr. Ateneo?
Hey, I just say.
But yeah,
Some
that's
people
all.
steal. I make bad predictions. I think I'm better than those people who steal.
That has
Speaking of
no
stealing,
connect.
guys.
That has no connect at all, bro. But okay.
Speaking of stealing, I want somebody to show me a CCTV unit that costs 72,000 pesos. Somebody out there show me that, man.
Bakit ang specific? Ano yan? Bakit ganyan?
Di mo alam yun yung this isn't really a political podcast. I don't want to go into it. But
Ah,
bro,
okay, okay. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Ah, okay. Kickback. Okay,
alam mo
okay.
na, alam mo na. Bro, 7
Sorry.
units of CCTV. Ay, hindi. Wait lang, complete nga natin. 1, 4, 8,
Gagi
4,
kung
2,
7
4,
unit, it makes sense.
divided.
7
Bro,
units, 72K, 10K each. Not
di men.
bad.
1,484,245
Oh,
for 7 units of CCTV.
oh, that's
Oh,
crazy.
oh,
Yung 72K for 10 gets ko pa eh. Mura nun.
oh!
7.2?
Ito 212,035 pesos for CCTV. Per CCTV
Oh!
yun.
They bought it from NASA or something, man. Like,
Yun, man. When the camera sees you, it can test your blood type. Yun yung malaman niya.
Oh, yeah.
What a
Well,
world we live in. Hey
uh,
guys, don't forget, by the way, I still haven't done my birthday giveaway.
Oo nga
Yung
pala.
I haven't done my
500.
birthday giveaway. So for those who want to join that, just comment. What do you guys want them to comment?
Man, you should have said this
Um,
at the start. Sayang. It's okay. Sige, just say it for those
okay,
who
if they
reach
make it
this
to the
point.
end, that means you deserve it. That means you deserve
face
it.
Okay.
card face card episode, man.
Yeah, sige, you guys can
Ah.
comment. Y'all can comment face card episode. And if it gets to 50, we'll do
Hindi,
Graham's
face
episode.
card F500. Ganun. Para,
Yeah,
ano.
yeah. So
Comment
if
face card F500.
whoever wins that, bro, may pang Noche Buena na raw kayo. So you're good.
Eh.
Is that enough?
It is enough. Sabi ng DTI eh.
Sabi nila,
Huwag ka
Oh,
oh,
that's
kakokontra.
right.
Huwag ka kakokontra. Huwag ka.
We should
Huwag ka
stay
kumontra.
away, man. We should stay away from that conversation, brother.
Eh, lahat naman kaaway ng DTI at BIR eh. Wala na mga ron.
Hey,
500
man.
was worth it, man.
Congrats, Gilas.
Congrats, Gilas! Thank you so much, guys, for listening. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Nico here with Mario and Graham. See you next time.
Adios, amigos. Thank you, Japet Aguilar.